Alright. Matthew, what did you just get done making?
A gingerbread house.
Who helped you make your gingerbread house?
Mommy and Kirsten and Ashley.
Alright, let's... Our gingerbread house.
Mom, and look.
Did you just lick the roof? That's the front of it. Hold on a minute. The door. Go back. Don't lick the house.
No,
There's our little windows and the grass.
How about you do this and take a picture?
Well, I'm putting it on the camcorder. Here, watch out so I can get this side of the house. That's our lovely gingerbread house.
And this is so cute.
It is so cute.
And this is the best one ever.
Is it the best gingerbread house in the world?
Yeah, then a fire and nobody can touch it or eat it. Chew it.
What, are we going to save it forever?
No.
Nope. So I'm gonna eat it.
This gingerbread house was made by Kirsten Slack, Ashton Lively,
And I'm gonna eat it.
Matthew, and Cameron Willis. Taylor did not help, but he wants to eat it.
Yep.
And yours truly, the video camera woman. That's a cute... Oh, let me see the box. Let me show you what it was supposed to look like. It was supposed to look like... Oh, that.
I want to see.
Looks similar.
But they cheated. They
yeah.
super glued their stuff together.
Yeah, they probably did use super glue because we use cans and... I mean, it looks a lot similar. Except for there's a little bit of candy here. Stay off the house. Nobody eats the house for years. Yep.
We
This
won't.
is gonna drive me crazy.
That's what I want to do. I just want to munch into it.
For real. I just want to take a hammer. I just want to take a hammer.
Can you eat the brown part of it? Like the
Yeah,
extra
it's
part
gingerbread, like gingerbread cookies.
Oh, okay.
And then we got that. We made the gingerbread house. And tomorrow we're making
Mom, I thought you put some glass
Candy
over
cane
here
pretzels.
around the house.
There's a Santa Claus, and we're actually going to make candy, or try to make candy. Because we're cool like that. And the girls cook dinner tonight.
Tacos. Tacos.
Uh-huh. I ate them.
And let me show you what James did while we worked so hard.
I didn't work so hard.
Oh!
That's what he did.
Can't you tell he's breaking a sweat?
He held the couch down.
Yep. Takes a lot of work.
You want to